boxing with the pole. We got guap, this bitches on the pole. Yeah, this that 2 sticks, this shit go down like 9/11. This that Zeus shit, is Big 5 and OT. We don't hesitate when it's time to slide, we get to steppin'. My hitters had niggas catching bullets, all that Beckham. Shorty win the game, she wanna party with the drummers. She know that we be cooking niggas like Betty Crocker. I'ma only fuck the hoe one time, that's enough. Come around this Kevin pussy, we gon' call your bluff.
It's recorded.
Yo, chill, that's how they got the caution. Yo, listen, if you see the caution tape on there, that means you can't play, that's dangerous, you know what? Get off there. Anytime you see this,
I told him.
you told me. What you told me?
I just did that. I said, don't put it in the imagination. We're mixing up. She's not perfect. But you didn't say brother.
Take my glasses off. I'm not here at the end of the day.
Certain areas, that's why I can't hear. I didn't hear it. I was on my way here. My radio was turned up.
Big 5 and OT7.
I'm moving. I'm just trying. I know the food is not hot.
Yo, Misha, I don't think you can record here. So just stop recording. Like, cause it's kids and all that. You could twist it back to make it zoom in. You could. No, Meet, you touching it wrong. Let me see what you touching. Twist it. Yeah. Is it recording? Is the red light on?
Yeah.
Shorty, you want the dance? You want the party with the drugs? Hey, Betty Crocker, I'm only go that whole one time. That's enough. Look at your brothers, man. Look at your brothers.
We found water.
Yo, record this boy, yo.
Yeah, he's still moving. Can I push her or something? I slipped. Turn around. Shit, what?
Bro, you felt all that water on your sister, bro. Look at you.
Yeah.
Damn, yo. You play so much, man. Look at your whole situation, bro.
You go to sleep like this.
Dude, show your face. Say what's up to the camera.
Like this.
Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up to the camera.
What's up?
What's your name? Jenna. Jenna?
My phone.
Yeah, man, you know my name. I told you. What they call you? What they nickname?
Man, you fell down all this right here.
He can't do that. No.
Are you gonna talk to the camera or what?
Huh? What's going on, man? We about to, you know, I gotta clean my young boy up. He just dropped the whole situation on his pants.
Yeah.
Look at it.
For real.
Yeah, I
He
just
can't do
Watch
that.
out, watch out.
Right there.